Hello everyone, here's to show you how to use AUX-sends on multiple tracks in Sam ProX2 and Sequoia 13. It's actually very simple as long as we understand the difference between two field areas in the AUX-send. The first one is the top area here, which is the AUX bypass switch, and the bottom area, which is the AUX fader field, which is linked to the number value field. We're going to set up some AUX-sends here. Very simple on one track. If we want to do that on multiple tracks, we have a couple of options. We can click into a fader field, then control click into another fader field, control click into another one. To highlight those, you can see the little red triangles in the bottom area, in the fader field area, and then drag any one of those to change the values. You can deselect any of those areas by control clicking on it. You can also deselect all areas at once by clicking just into an empty space of the mixer here. This deselects all. Now, if you have different values in all those AUX-sends on the different tracks and you select all of them, the AUX-sends will be changed relative to each other. You can also select AUX-sends on different tracks in different AUX-send slots. I'm going to do that now. Use any of the faders. Deselecting all again. There's a simple way of bypassing single AUX-sends by just clicking into the top area here. AUX-send becomes blue, which means it's bypassed. It becomes orange again to show you it's active. You can do that by control clicking into the top area of the AUX-send, regardless of slot and track. Click on one of them, all the selected ones are bypassed. I'm going to deselect all again. There's another way of doing that. Bypassing all AUX-sends of one track, you can do that by clicking in the top area here, which is basically I call it the main auxiliary area. Click into it, it bypasses the AUXs on all tracks, on all AUXs on one track, sorry. You can also select multiple of those by control clicking. Gonna deselect again. So there's a second option of changing parameters of AUX-sends on multiple tracks. That is by simply selecting multiple tracks. We're going to do that the same way we did with the AUX-sends. Just select one track, control click on the other tracks you want to select. Now you change one of them, all the other ones will be changed relatively. As long as there are several tracks selected, you immediately can see that the AUX-sends of that particular slot are selected on all 4 tracks. You can still use control click to activate basically all of them, like this. Deselecting all tracks works different. You either have to click into another track or deselect them by control clicking on one of those. There was also the question about copying AUX-sends from one track to another. This is very simple. You just grab the desired AUX-send area here at the top, at the main AUX. Left click with the mouse, drag it to another track and release it, and you have copied the complete AUX-send setup of this particular track. That's it for now, thanks.